Hello, I am Anirudh. The question is, three pieces of strings with lengths 4 by 5 cm, 6 cm and 3 by 7 cm are cut into pieces that are equal in length. The greatest length that these pieces can have is, let's see the solution. The three lengths given to us are 24 by 5 cm, 6 cm and 24 by 7 cm. Now we have to find the greatest length that these pieces can have. The greatest length is nothing but the HCF of the three lengths. Now we know that HCF of fractions is equal to HCF of numerators divided by the LCM of denominators, and therefore HCF of 24 by 5, 6, 24 by 7 is equal to HCF of 24, 6 and 24 divided by LCM of 5, 1 and 7, which is equal to 6 upon 35. That is answer option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Anirudh. The question is, if x asterisk y denotes HCF of x and y and x at the rate y denotes LCM of x and y, then the value of 252 asterisk 294 whole at the rate 140 is. Let's see the solution. First of all, we have to find the value of 252 asterisk 294. This is equal to HCF of 252 and 294. We can express 252 in terms of its prime factors as 2 square into 3 square into 7, and similarly 294 can be written into its prime factors as 2 into 3 into 7 square. Now HCF is defined as the product of the prime factors common to both the numbers, that is the product of 2, 3 and 7, and therefore HCF is equal to 2 into 3 into 7, that is 42, or we can say 252 asterisk 294 is equal to 42, and therefore 252 asterisk 294 whole at the rate 140 is equal to 42 at the rate 140, which is the LCM of 42 and 140. 42 is factorized as 2 into 3 into 7, while 140 is factorized as 2 square into 5 into 7. Now LCM is the product of the highest powers of the common factor, that is 2 square into 5 into 7 into 3, or we have 42 at the rate 140 is equal to 2 square into 3 into 5 into 7, which is equal to 420. Therefore we have answer option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Anirudh. The question is, what least number must be subtracted from 1936 so that the remainder when divided by 9, 10 or 15 will in each case leave 7 as remainder. Let's see the solution. In the question, we are asked to find a number which when divided by 9, 10 or 15 leaves a remainder of 7 in each case. Now, the LCM of 9, 10 and 15 is found as 9 is 3 square, 10 is 2 into 5 and 15 is 3 into 5, and therefore their LCM comes out to be 2 into 3 square into 5, which is equal to 90. As we need a remainder of 7 in each case, the number, that least number, must be of the form 90k plus 7, so that whether we will divide by 9 or 10 or 15, it will always leave a remainder of 7. Now, our number given to us is 1936. We can express this number 1936 as equal to 90 into 21 plus 46. This number is of the form 90n plus 46. But ideally, we require a number of the form 90k plus 7. Therefore, we write it as 90k plus 7 plus 39, and therefore our required remainder, that is the least number that should be subtracted, is 39. That is answer option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Anirudh. The question is, find the greatest number of 6 digits which on being divided by 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 leaves 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 as remainders respectively. Let's see the solution. We can see that when the number that is divided by 6, that is when divisor is 6, the remainder is 4. When divisor is 7, remainder is 5. When divisor is 8, remainder is 6. Divisor 9, remainder 7. And divisor 10, remainder 8. In all the 5 cases, we see that divisor minus remainder is equal to 2, a constant, same. Therefore, we can say that the number required of 6 digits which on being divided by 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 is the highest multiple of the LCM of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minus 2. The LCM of 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 is found as below. 6 is written as 2 into 3, 7 is 7, 8 is written as 2 cube, 9 as 3 square and 10 as 2 into 5, and therefore the LCM is equal to 2 cube into 3 square into 5 into 7, or 8 into 9 into 5 into 7. Therefore, LCM of the 5 numbers is equal to 2520. Therefore, the required greatest number is the highest multiple of 2520 below 999999 minus 2. Now, we can express the highest 6-digit number, that is 999999, as equal to 2520 into 396 plus 2079, and therefore highest 6-digit multiple of 2520 is equal to 999999 minus 2079, which is equal to 997920, and therefore the required greatest 6-digit number is equal to 997920 minus 2, which in turn gives 997918. That is, we have our answer as option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Anirudh. The question is LCM of 4 by 5, 3 by 2 and 3 by 5 is. Let's see the solution. We know that LCM of fractions is equal to LCM of numerators divided by HCF of denominators, and therefore LCM of 4 by 5, 3 by 2 and 3 by 5 is equal to LCM of 4, 3 and 3 and HCF of 5, 2 and 5, which is equal to 4 into 3 divided by 1. The HCF is 1 because the numbers 2 and 5 are relatively prime, and therefore the LCM is 12. That is answer option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएं.